Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Best Deals Today. We're excited to review the electric meat grinder, a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Meet the electric meat grinder, a 5-in-1 multi-purpose appliance that can grind meats, Meet the electric meat grinder, a 5-in-1 multi-purpose appliance that can grind meats, shred cheeses, slice veggies, stuff sausages, and make Kubbe. With its powerful 2800W motor and dual-speed control, you can achieve the perfect texture and consistency. This electric meat grinder features a large XL vegetable feeding tube, allowing you to process whole carrots, potatoes, and cheese blocks without pre-cutting. The reverse function and overheat protection ensure safe and easy operation. The electric meat grinder is designed with durability and ease of cleaning in mind. All stainless steel and alloy parts are detachable, and the appliance can be hand-washed and wiped dry. This complete home kitchen solution includes sausage and Kubbe kits, 3 grinding plates, and 5 slicing discs. It's perfect for grinding meat, shredding cheese, and slicing vegetables with ease. The electric meat grinder has been newly upgraded with a large pusher featuring built-in storage and a more durable aluminum feeding tray. It's designed for home use and can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Get yours now and start making cooking easier and faster. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Make your favorite dishes with the electric meat grinder. Order now and enjoy the convenience of easy cooking. With the electric meat grinder, you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes quickly and easily. It's a great addition to any kitchen and a perfect gift for any home cook.